Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and it is around the Christmas season and it is boiling bloody hot here in Australia right now. We've been having over 40 degrees for the last week. It is disgusting. And so we really wanted to do a Christmas roast for our friend Wayne that keeps posting stuff on our channel, and we really will at some point, but it is too bloody hot to do it. So we are making cupcakes, gingerbread cupcakes, because that's holiday to me and I want to eat it, and these spices are making me smell delicious, so we're making gingerbread cupcakes. For our cupcake mixture, we're going to need 1 3/4 cups of plain flour, half a cup of molasses, or here in Australia we call this treacle, 75 grams of room temperature butter. I'm using unsalted butter, half a cup of buttermilk. You can also use normal milk, but I find buttermilk is really delicious here. 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup caster sugar, 2 eggs at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon bicarb soda, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. For our delicious gingerbread icing, you're going to need 225 grams of soft unsalted butter, about 4 cups of icing sugar or powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of molasses or again treacle, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon ground ginger, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and you might need 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk depending on the thickness of your icing. I'll show you what you need. This is enough for between 12 to 15 cupcakes, depending on the size of your muffin tins. Let's get started. To make our gingerbread cupcakes, what we're going to do first is cream our butter and our 2 sugars together until it's nice and incorporated. Then we're going to add our molasses and eggs. Once the eggs and molasses is incorporated, whisk together your flour and all your spices, and then add about half to the mixture, add our vanilla, mix to combine, then add the second half, and again mix to combine. And remember to scrape down the sides after each addition. Now at this point it kind of looks more like cookie batter, and don't worry, that's what it's supposed to look like. And then we're going to slowly add in our buttermilk as it's mixing. It looks and smells Christmassy! Once our batter is all mixed together, we're going to take a 1/4 cup measurement and pour it into our pre-lined muffin tins. Then we're going to bake them at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for between 18 to 20 minutes. Bye. While our cupcakes are cooling, we're going to make our icing. So we're going to cream our room temperature butter until it's nice and fluffy. Then we're going to add our icing sugar, spices, molasses, vanilla, and whip it all together. Very easy, just chuck it in. Once your butter is beaten, add half of your icing sugar and continue to beat. Then add your spices. Continue to add the rest of your icing sugar, then add your molasses, vanilla, and milk if needed. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of milk to mine just to make it a bit more fluffy, and then I'm going to let it beat for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's all nice and beautifully fluffy together, because you also don't want it to be grainy at all. And remember to scrape down the sides. So we've got our icing, we've got our cooled cupcakes, and what we're going to do is put them in an icing bag with a big star tip. These speak for themselves. They taste incredible, and they don't have to be perfect. It's for family, it's for Christmas. I'm gonna just put them on, because I want to eat them. Okay guys, so that's how you make my gingerbread cupcakes for Christmas, or just in general if you like gingerbread. I'm so excited because they smell incredible, and it's basically just going to taste like Christmas punched you in the face in a good way. I hope Flavia likes gingerbread, so I say, let's eat. Do you like gingerbread?
I do
okay,
like
good.
gingerbread. Oh. Yeah, they smell so good.
Whoop. You can have all the icing.
Take some icing.
I'll take some more. Thank you. Oh my god, they're so soft.
Oh.
So this is the difference between using buttercream, and it's also got the molasses, so it's got that natural softness to it. Because like if you ever have molasses in anything, it usually makes it nice and chewy and dense. You see the buttercream is gorgeous as well. It's so soft.
Like, it has a nice little kick to it, but it's so creamy, and the cake is so soft. And just, it's beautiful.
Oh, my life.
Beautiful!
It's so soft.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas! Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat, because I love it.
Bye!
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that, or something awesome game related.